Welcome to the jungle with Dave Attenborough. Here you see a wild Marisa sitting on a scooter, riding through the jungle with 50 kilometers per hour. And I think she wanna ask me something, but I'm not sure what she wants. What? I think she saw me.
I go the whole night, driving through the whole night.
Good morning! We just arrived in Chiang Mai at Chiang Mai station, and we arranged a transfer to our hotel, which is called Chai Lai Orchid. And right now we have to drive an hour because it's an hour away from Chiang Mai.
I take flight, and it's all in my head, and I'm stood on the ledge, and the people walk through the day while I'm trying to make sense of a prequel. I just want our love to be equal. Just want our love to be equal. I'd go the whole world, let emotions unfurl, and my frustrations be heard and nothing.
We just woke up with an elephant, and she's right there. She's going up the staircase now to wake up other guests. But that was so cool. She was very hungry and wanted to eat a lot and got my shirt dirty because of that, but I really don't care. It was so cool. She was so gentle and so kind. I don't even know her name, I forgot to ask. But yeah, this is really a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Just waking up. This is you wake up in front of the elephants that get feed right in front of you. So perfect way to start the day. Love it. This is Mieke's happy face. We're currently in a market in Chiang Mai, and we're shopping for souvenirs in this very big bazaar.
Don't you think this bazaar is bizarre?
This is what I have to put up with.
Sorry, I'm going to buy it.
Yeah, I mean, we're gonna show you. They show you the money, or I mean the amount, sorry, on a calculator.
139
And you can always, how do you say?
Wat was goedkoper?
Lot Noika.
Lot Noika?
Lot Noika. Kakunka. Kakunka. Yeah, you can see it here. We have a souvenir bag already.
Left for dead in LA, made me sweat like an infrared. Made me drown in my tears, better watch when I catch my breath. Feel like Julius with a knife in my back, thought you keep my crown. But you know for a fact, not a thing gonna keep me down.
1, 2, 3, let's go! Oh, wait.
Oh, this is fun.
Since you left in someone else's fantasy.
Right.
Oh my god, I hate you!
It's something that you never took away from me. I bring disco back to life, I wear all black. Summer nights I go downtown. Don't think twice, don't give a f.
A few inches later.
You know, tropical rain, it doesn't stop!
A few moments later.
Ik tril zo erg. Stop. Stop. Recording. Stop raining. Nothing works.
Later.
We just arrived in Pai. Well, actually we arrived yesterday by bike. That was a disaster because we thought, oh, on Google Maps it said it's only 2.5 hour drive, but it turned out that the road was a lot more difficult than expected. It was through mountains and it started raining, so it was a very tough drive actually to get here. But we're here in Pai, in a party hostel, and we arrived with a big party actually. They had this sunset club party yesterday and it was fun. We met a lot of new people and now we're having breakfast and are going to check Pai, a small city in the mountains. We're staying here for 2 full days and yesterday as 3 days. So yeah. I'm stuck. Jesus! We did that. It was very slippery, but if you hold on to your hands, then hold on to your hands. Wow.
Hashtag badass woman.
Yeah, we are. In the middle of the day, and the full sun. Will be fun, they said. Let's remind ourselves that this is fun. Oh, you're taking the hard route.
Is there an easier route?
I'm just walking in the middle. Oh, Jesus. Oh, you can actually see the footsteps.
Yeah.
Where people put their feet. Ooh. I wish my shoes were dry. But where to go? Go get low to the ground. I was just gonna say, I feel like this is easier, and then I saw this.
I know, yeah.
And then it gets easier. Okay. Okay. I'm not even strong enough to pull myself up. This is so sad. I'll just speed this up so it looks like we're moving so fast.
Yeah,
Oh, I thought you were going to help me.
I'm back.
Oh.
Oh my god.
We did it! Nearby Pai, and it's actually warm water. It's super nice to sit in and relax a little bit. We did the Pai Canyon before, so this is a nice way to just chill after a very interesting hike. Where everybody got injured. Yeah, all scratched up.
Hey, I came out clean.
Yeah, you did. You did.
What do you want to say to the camera?
And I'm eating a snack.
She almost burned down the bar. It's all her fault.
I flipped over a fire shot with my straw.
But how did it end?
I blew it out.
She saved us though also. So she made it happen, but also...
Well, she made the problem, but she solved the problem too.
We were all gonna run. We were ready to get out of there.
Well, she's our entertainment. She burns down the bar. She fixed it. We laughed. It's fine.
Exactly.
So this was Pai. Pai was nice. We met so many nice people. We met Andrew, Leah, Suhana, and Fran, and we ended up having the best time ever. We clicked immediately. I felt this very special bond amongst this group. We are all very like-minded. We ended up going out this night too to have some drinks and celebrate Fran's 30th birthday, which we did together. I almost set the bar on fire. I didn't do it on purpose, I swear. But I ordered fire shots for Fran's birthday, and then for some reason, I'm very clumsy. I don't know why, I tipped over another shot glass and it was still on fire and liquid spilled all over it along with the fire, so
It was so funny. I laughed at it.
I just blew it out. So I messed it up, but I also saved it, so it's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
It's fine. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy these videos and see you in the next one.